Hey y'all, it's Chloe So Chic here coming to you with a wig review and a tutorial. So I did see this wig on I Fancy Cupcakes or Hearts and Cupcakes on YouTube, and she's one of my favorites that I like to watch her do her wigs. She's amazing. She already knows this. I tell her all the time. I tell her I bought this wig because of her, or half wig because of her. So this is the Sensational Textured Half Wig. It's the Rainmaker from the Curls, Kinks and Company line, and it's in the color 2. Okay, this is what it looks like. So you can either wear it as a half wig and then have some leave out here and do it on the side or something like that, or you can do it up and half up and down. I decided to do a half up and down, and I wore this yesterday and I got a lot of compliments on it. You guys really love this half wig, and one of my followers asked me to do a tutorial for it. I was planning on doing one anyway, but they were like, I have had this wig for I don't know how long in my closet, and I love the way you styled your wig. Can you please do a tutorial for it? So I was like, okay, I can do one for you. I love when I get asked to do stuff. I'm so silly, but yeah. So I'm going to show you guys how I styled this half wig yesterday. I'm actually going to wear it again today for my little outing that I'm having with my co-workers. So just stay tuned and keep watching my video. And thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. So here is the half wig. Do not mind, it's a little bit frizzy because, like I said, I wore it in the half up, half down look. But this is what it looks like. At the bottom, it has already pre-curled ends. And a lot of people asked me when I wore it, did I curl it? I was like, no, it comes just like that. This wig is super affordable. Half wig is super affordable. Less than $20. I don't remember the website. I'm going to try to go look and see if I can find where I got it from so I can let you guys know. And they had like $1.99 shipping. So I was like, yes, I know how y'all all are because I know that's how I am. For some reason, shipping makes us not want to do it. But I was like, oh, $1.99 shipping or free shipping, but $1.99 is still good too, so I'm gonna get it. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like. These are the curls, okay. And like I said, this is because I put it in a half up, half down. You'll see when I do it. Now for my hair, I have maybe about 3/4 of my hair. I have it in braids, and I put a wig cap over it. You can see that. Okay, and then I have some leave out. I did blow dry my hair. I still have some edge control on it, so, but yeah, I did blow dry my hair. So this is what this looks like. Okay, and what I used to blow dry my hair was my blow dry brush. It's the Revlon one. I love this thing. It's super easy to use, by the way, and it makes blow drying my hair so much easier, and I do it so much faster. So yeah, this is my leave out. Okay, so I'm gonna get into how I styled it with you guys, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, y'all, she ready. She ready. But anyway, I actually like this look even better than yesterday. All right, now come through with the lippy. But anyway, so this is pretty much it. This is what I did to wear this half up, half down. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment below. You can certainly reach out to me via Instagram or anything like that. But I'm super happy with this look. Girl's popping. Just saying, she popping.